Trust the process. I'm sure you guys have all heard this before. This is the motto of Philadelphia 76ers center Joel Embiid, right? And it's also one of the constant reminders Reeva Impact uses with all of its sales organizations it works with across the nation. So you're probably asking what this means to you. First, Reeva Impact wants to make sure that you have a sales process your team can follow. Now, if you've been in this industry or any sales positions, you at some point have definitely heard this, right? If you haven't, or you've never really questioned what this means, it's okay, but we're here to fix this now. So what does exactly a sales process mean? A sales process is just a set of repeatable steps that a salesperson takes to take a prospect from the early stage of awareness to a closed sale, right? We all understand that. These steps can include such simple procedures such as where a sales rep parks, how long it takes for that rep to get out of the truck once they park, how about how that rep walks up to a home, or what to say when a prospect opens a door, and of course, more importantly, the sales presentation. Yes, I understand you're probably thinking, Mark, these are all very easy to do, but unfortunately, they're also very easy not to do. And this is what I preach very often. And this is also a problem that Reeva Impact sees with so many roofing sales organizations across the nation. Reps come out of their training, hopefully learn a company sales process, and they start succeeding at this position. But as time goes on, someone else starts influencing you in your sales rep's process. It's the homeowner. And you're like, Mark, what do you mean the homeowner? Well, let's just picture this. Your sales reps, a month into the position, they go to Mr. Smith's house and present, but they forget some of these easy to do, easy not to do steps, and something really bad happens. And you may not think it's bad, but Mr. Smith buys. You're like, Mark, how can that be possibly bad? Well, what does this do? This now creates a narrative in that rep's mind that some of those steps aren't needed in order to close the deals in this industry. This will continue to happen, eliminating vital steps, and then 6 months later, your sales process that you spent years perfecting, months learning how to train on, weeks actually training your new seasoned reps on, and days reviewing in all those sales meetings every morning on making sure that your reps are doing well. But now you're doing the same bullshit that all the other companies around your area are doing. Does this sound familiar? It happened to me. And if you haven't had if you're not a company that hasn't gotten around to perfecting a sales process, it's okay. But it's not okay to not figure it out right now. So let Reeva Impact help you. On June 15th, we're gonna be offering a webinar. We're gonna give that Reeva Impact sales process that has brought Monarch Roofing to $42 million and has helped so many other sales organizations across the nation in this great industry. So let's come together on June 15th, and that's all trust the process. We'll see you guys soon.